In my head for some time now, I've imagined myself using my platform to share my love of food. Well, summer 17, that time is now. So follow me as I travel from city to city and state to state, trying all new types of eats with friends and family. So come on, take a bite in the Glamaworks food tour. What's up, guys?
Hey.
Grilled cheese.
Grilled cheese social living
Yes.
up.
Yes, we're heading right over to Marvin's room. Right now, this is my girl, Zing. What's up, Zing?
What's up, y'all?
She is a lover of grilled cheese.
Yes.
So it will be very interesting, yes, to see what she thinks. That's why I begged her to come with me for today, because I knew if anybody knows anything about grilled cheese, it's the Zingster. I think we're going to start off with the social life today.
I'm liking that rock grape punch.
Rocky punch. Yeah.
Pineapple.
Uh-huh.
And cranberry. Chips and a pickle. Yeah. How big are they?
Damn, they got a fried chicken and waffle.
I know. I was like, how big are they? How many can I order?
I know. So we just got our drinks and our meals, or ordered our meals. But fail number one.
I know.
Fail number one. We asked for what was these called? Rock Creek punches,
Yeah.
and they didn't give her the pineapple soda. See, they look different. What's happening here? I have half a mind to go cuss her out, but we're gonna chill and wait for our food. Anyway, the vibes in here are kind of tight. I'm just chilling. We just finished talking to Rick Ross over there. Mini Rick Ross.
And who did? I said mini. Oh no, I didn't say did.
Mini Rick Ross, the security guard. And, let me chill before he sees this.
Thank you.
Oh, this one is mine. Oh, so it's like a actual waffle, and yours are the one, the classic. Excited to think
Clean it up. Oh, yours looks good though. I might have loved.
No, I think you made the right decision.
Thank you.
I think we both made the right decision.
Oh my god.
That's really good.
That's a lot.
Wow. I'm surprised because it has maple syrup in it
And it's still good?
and cheese, and it's still good.
That's what I was worried about, the sweet.
Yeah. You can try some if you want.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some of that. So do you have a lot of cheese on yours?
It's like a decent amount of cheese because I feel like usually too much cheese would be like make me want to vomit. It's a decent amount of cheese. I'm like pleasantly surprised by how well balanced it is. How's yours?
Mine makes sense. Like it's just a grilled cheese with bacon, so it's mad cheese. Like cheese on the bottom, cheese on the top. I can't tell what type of cheese.
Yeah, I was gonna ask if there's two types of cheese.
Yeah. Like the white might be like an American type of cheese, and then like a cheddar or something like that.
Right,
I don't know.
right.
It's really good though.
Yeah.
It's really good. Even just for like a basic grilled cheese, it's bomb.
Hey, DJ? Like, low-key?
Nah, this might be somebody's Spotify.
Oh. So I got a golden ticket, which means I can redeem my ticket for a free drink.
It's lit.
Yeah, we were just saying how we don't know how people could eat more than one of these sandwiches. Very filling.
I just finished half. Like I'm just starting the next half.
Right.
I might be able to do one more and split it with.
I might be down for that after a shot. Maybe. Yeah.
Is the waffle thick? No, it's not that thick.
It's thin, but I agree. You don't have as much protein in yours.
Wait,
so.
this comparison side by side?
I know.
Oh, yeah.
Mad thick.
So what she's saying is I'm going to be eating the next one by myself.
I have a little bite. That shrimp one, I didn't like how it looked. It looked like too much was going on.
It had coleslaw on it.
Yeah, and cheese, and it looked like throw up waiting to happen. I was like, nah, I can't. I can't risk it. We're trying to have a good time today.
Right. And we just got here.
Right. Okay.
Trying the chicken and waffle.
Uh-huh.
I don't like the syrup.
It's too sweet.
It's too sweet. Like the chicken part, the waffle part is fine, the cheese. But that sweetness is like,
It cancels it out for you.
it's like taken away from it.
Well, that means you made the right decision. Are you thinking of getting another one?
I think I'm done.
You can't think. You can't.
Can I drink this drink?
Yes, yes. Yeah, so these are, what are these called? The socialites.
Yeah.
It's ginger beer, Crown Royal, and lime, I think. And I think the lime is just that lime. I don't think there was any lime juice added.
Mission complete.
Yeah, that was nice.
Marvin?
Are we Marvin or are we grilled cheese?
I know.
I think we're grilled cheese. Like, by the looks of my belly. I'm grilled cheese. Yeah, I would definitely come again with some friends.
It was really nice. Like once we like got out of the rooftop area and went to like the other, there's like other
that
rooms.
rooftop area was hot as a
So
mug.
hot.
Yeah. But yeah, once I didn't even know that place existed.
I know.
I was like, oh wait.
It was a little cooler at first. Then you start getting turns and dancing.
Right.
And it's just as hot as everything else.
Yes. But it was lots of fun. Thank you, Zing, for coming.
Yeah.
we
Thanks
got
for inviting me.
All right, until next time, give us that thumbs up, subscribe, and don't quit your daydream.
Glamaworks.
Glamaworks and Zing.